Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Angie and in this channel I talk about different topics on the field of self-transformation and self-improvement. So on this video I am going to talk about manifesting with feminine energy. So here are my tips to attract things in your life and manifest using feminine energy. So first thing that I want to mention and that has helped a lot me in my life since I started focusing and tapping more into my feminine energy is moving. So physically move, because feminine energy is the energy of flow and movement. So move more in your life. Just by moving more physically helps you to be more in your body and automatically go more into your feminine energy. So moving in and out your energy, bringing in new things in your life. This is also another point of view to see moving. Just simply doing something new in your life every day. Because often when you do the same stuff over and over again, just in an automatic manner, this can make you stuck. But simply maybe going to a new place or bringing new habits and new things in your life can help a lot and open your creativity and help you manifest what you want faster. And maybe this can be the secret, the new thing that will help you to attract what you want. So try something new every day. Divine feminine energy world is moving. It's about movement and flow. Also try something new, but maybe new in towards your self-development or towards your inspiration, to inspire you for the life that you want to have in the future. Also, the divine feminine is nature and fluent, so helping will help a lot spending time in the nature. Sometimes you will need to move stuck emotions, and those can be moved, can help a lot physical movement. Like for example, I do every morning hip rotations, or if I don't have time to do it in the morning, I do that then, for example, in the afternoons or after work. Just moving your hips and maybe going to the elliptium and moving can help just move your hips and put you more into that feminine energy. Make space for the new in your life. Sometimes you will need to remove things before adding new things in your life. Tip number 2. Movement creates more life force energy. And sometimes you will also need to declutter your energy, to reprioritize your life around your self-development, maybe, to make that your priority. And declutter even your physical environment. This can help a lot with manifesting, because our reality, things, for example, that we see or that we keep in our homes, can keep us stuck emotionally or stuck to a certain place that we are in your life. Sometimes just moving things around and decluttering can help. Tip number 3. to always save your vibration, to prioritize your vibration and everything that has to do with it. It is all about your dominant vibration. Hold your positive thoughts and vibration high at all times. Journaling, meditating can help you to align for the rest of the day. I start my days with meditating, and then I do journaling. So this can make us more can align us for the day and prepare for the day to keep a high vibration. Journal. Use questions when you want to journal. I do several self-development programs that I follow for myself, which have questions in them to journal. And I even keep notes about each of them on my journal, and I do the exercises required. So these are part of my journaling. I also I write lists, two lists specifically. Every day I write one thing that I have accomplished in the previous day that will bring me forward in my self-development, and one new thing that I want to accomplish for the next day. And this helps a lot. I keep these lists at the end of my journal when I add every day thing that I have accomplished the previous day and one thing that I want to accomplish the next day. Another way that I do journaling is that sometimes I want to maybe achieve something new or go to another state in my life. I think about that as changing my identity. And I journal about what my new identity would teach to my existent identity at the moment. And I write as being my new identity in my journal. So these are the types of exercises that I do in my journal. And following self-development, inner work, and self-help programs all the time helps me to have questions in my journal all the time. And in fact, I did a complete video all dedicated to journaling that you can find in my in this YouTube channel, and maybe I will also link it in the description box. So keep in mind that maybe journaling and doing our inner work will help us to not just add things, maybe creating a new identity or becoming better. You might think that it means adding things to you, adding skills, and adding something to your identity or to yourself. But no, not all the time, because sometimes we have to remove things to deconstruct maybe limiting beliefs and programming that we have developed over the years. Because adult learning starts with deconditioning. This means, for example, unfollow, declutter. Unfollow, for example, even on social media or even in your day-to-day life, things that don't have anything to do with where you want to go in your life. And decluttering, removing even objects that don't bring you where you want to be but keep you stuck. Sometimes we feel comfortable when we are stuck and we want to stay on a comfortable place, but in fact we have to keep in mind that change is the only thing that is constant in life. So you have to flow and move the things that you, even objects that you don't need anymore in your life and will keep you stuck, and focus more on the activities that you want to do and things that you want to follow. Also make your house your 3D vision board. This means that every thing, every object, maybe poster or everything that you have in your house needs to inspire you to go to the next phase in your life. It's not a 2D, only a 2D vision board, but everything you own needs to reflect the life that you want to have. I talked about this also in another video. Maybe it's better to keep just basic, just a few things, and not be overwhelmed with things, but those to be good quality, also for inspiration. And because what we see every day, for example, as soon as we open our eyes,